Good afternoon, all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the maximum power transfer theorem. In this theorem, what we are going to understand how the maximum power transfer at what exact value of the resistance, load resistance, we will get the maximum power transfer theorem. So initial what? Let us consider the circuit. Okay, in this circuit, what we are going to consider here? In closed circuit, initial voltage source is a voltage source. Voltage source. Construct the diagram here, closed circuit plus and high potential. In this internal resistance of this circuit, and this is the load, variable load. So when we in this closed circuit, what we will understand, we need to find that what value of the load network equals to the maximum power of the load. Statement is that the maximum power transfer theorem, in this theorem, source to the load when the internal resistance is exactly equals to the load, variable load. Variable load means this resistance variable. Okay, we are going to find what values of the load the network will deliver. This network will deliver maximum power transfer to the load. So what is the statement? The maximum power transfer from source to the load when it is possible, when internal resistance is exactly equals to the load resistance. Okay, so this is the main condition. The energy source, this is the energy source of the resistance here, load resistance, and we construct here a diagram. This is the